Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is feeble. It is pronounced feeble, and it is spelt F-E-E-B-L-E. Think Phoebe and then L-E, feeble. Feeble means lacking physical strength, especially as a result of age or illness. For example, you could say he was feeble when he left the hospital. The word feeble comes from the Old French feeble, meaning weak. Weak is a synonym of feeble, and therefore its definition remains the same. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Charlie's grandparents could all be described as feeble. Roald Dahl describes them as every one of these old people was over 90. They were as shriveled as prunes and as bony as skeletons, and throughout the day, until Charlie made his appearance, they lay huddled in their one bed, two at either end, with nightcaps on to keep their heads warm, dozing the time away with nothing to do. They are old and weak, and therefore they could be described as feeble. Feeble is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, my legs were feeble after I finished the marathon. Feeble is defined in the dictionary as weak and without energy, strength, or power. Feeble synonyms include weak, weakened, puny, frail, infirm, delicate, sickly, ailing, unwell, poorly, powerless, impotent, enfeebled, debilitated, and decrepit. Antonyms include able, capable, competent, efficient, expert, fit, healthy, and hearty. See if you can notice anyone acting feebly today. It could be on YouTube or in a book. Impress your parents and your friends by using your new word, feeble. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.